right, so here's another little project for you. So, as I've said in the past, the premise behind these is to kind of just let you work on your skills, work on your TIG welding skills, work on your creative skills. There's probably not a better medium for me than chain. There's something cool about making stuff out of pieces of chain, especially if it has like some old color to it like this. All right, so the idea is we're gonna make a bottle holder. Now it could be bourbon, it could be wine, it could be whatever. And I was kind of thinking like, make it look like it's just piled up, and then I want it to wrap around the bottle a couple times. Something like that. Now obviously we're gonna weld it all so it'll be nice and solid. What I did is I started off with a bottle that has a pretty thick neck on it. That way, you know, more than one kind of bottle will fit. The bigger the neck you pick, the better off you are to get whatever bottle you want to put in there. If the neck's smaller on the bottle, it might hang a little bit, but you get the idea. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm gonna start off by kind of making it look as naturally laying as I can. Like I don't want to like straighten the links up or anything. I'm just gonna lay it there and then try to see if I can't tack them together the way they are. Ooh. I guess I better turn the gas on. Like I said, we're just trying to get tacks. We're not trying to weld this thing solid. We'll tack it, get it the way we want it, and then maybe we'll go back and reinforce it a little bit. So like I said, this is going to kind of help you just hone your skills. You know, you're not going to get better at TIG welding by just occasionally, every once in a while, welding a bead or two. You got to constantly be doing it. As a matter of fact, I find myself all the time, if I haven't TIG welded in a long time, when I come back to it, you know, I'm off a little bit. Alright, so now we got that kind of tacked together. So we need to go like 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to go like 4 lengths high. How am I going to do this? Whew, she's getting hot already. Crank up the juice a little bit. Alright, so I just kind of got it wrapped around. I'll start just trying to tack. See if I can't tack these together. Hopefully I can do this without cracking the bottle. Wouldn't that suck if I couldn't get the bottle out? Alright, I like what we're seeing here so far. All right, decision time. So I got the basic. All right, so I grabbed a different bottle just to see how this thing hangs, and you know, different bottles. I think I like it. So now the decision is, what do I do with the rest of this chain? Do I let it like hang out here? Do I kind of wrap it around like that? I'm kind of thinking something like that. Okay, same process. Okay, I think I got it all tacked together the way that I want it. Now I'm just going to go in here and kind of tack it in more places than just one, maybe weld it a little bit more in a couple of the spots just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Some of these links, I don't know if they're dirty or what the deal is, but they are spitting and popping. So it's kind of got like a triangle snake shape to it. There was, obviously you've seen, but there was a lot of places that spit and sputtered. I don't know if it's just like bad links, bad alloy in the links. Okay, there it is. Had some spots that were, I guess it was a bad link, maybe the bad alloy or something in the link, or really dirty, because the same link I couldn't get a good weld. It would spit and sputter. I think I got it good enough. May come in and tack these with a MIG, just to be sure, but everything on the bottom is nice and welded up. Everything up here is good. It's pretty sturdy. Cleaned it up with a brush best I could. Actually, I lie, it wasn't the best I could, but good enough. Kind of wanted to keep that weathered look. And then typically what I'll do now is I'll just coat this with some shark hide or some penetrol or something, and it'll kind of keep it from rusting. It'll kind of give it a dark, not glossy, but almost wet look, but not shiny, if that makes sense. Anyway, there you go, a little project. It's a good project because you're kind of working in tight spots, right? You're tacking, you're doing a lot of intricate stuff. It's really good practicing your TIG welding skills. Little projects, I don't know, 3 foot length of chain, something you can knock out in like an hour, coat it, and then man, you got something cool. Put a wine bottle in there, you can put whatever in there you want. Probably gonna take this one to the podcast studio. I think it'll fit in quite nice over there. Anyways, as always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys on the next project. Go do work, son.